This
baby, you're a miracle, my life.
Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to deceive people and make them take your hairs long when it's not long. You know? Yes, you know. Anyways, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this clip-ins. With this method that I use, you do not have to worry about trying to blend your natural hair with the clip-ins, because we all know it can be a headache, seriously. So literally you can use whatever hair texture you want. You can use kinky straight, you can use curly, you can use coily, you can use whatever texture of clip-ins you want to use. Literally you can't use. So basically that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. I've said that several times, but yeah, I'm gonna keep quiet now and let you guys watch this video. Okay guys, so I basically already sectioned my hair out how I want it. So I sectioned this front part out, and the back I literally just did 3 very chunky braids and then put a mesh wig cap on it. I need to gel like these 2 sides down, and I'm going to be using 3 products today. I'm using the Cream of Nature edge control. I'm also going to be using my Eco Styler gel and this Pump It Up spritz. Okay, so we're going to be using these 3 products. Okay guys, so what I did is I tied down just the front, and I'm going to go ahead and start putting my clip-ins behind. And I've used these clip-ins before, and so they're not in their original pack, but I'll try to insert a clip from when I used it the first time. So this is the hair that I'm using today. This hair was sent to me by Samsbeauty. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is it on the model. This hair comes with 9 pieces of clip-ins inside, and you get 1 piece of a 9-inch weft, 2 pieces of the 7-inch weft, 4 pieces of the 5 inches, and 2 pieces of the 3 inches. So that's a total of 9. I got 3 packs. I don't know how many packs I'm going to use, but I have 3 packs. I went ahead to wash this hair, and this is what it looks like when you wash it compared to how it looks like straight out of the pack. So this is the one that is washed, and this is the one that is just straight out of the pack. As you can see, this one, let me move back a bit. This one looks a lot more stretched. This one looks like the curls are a lot tighter. I want it like this. So what I did was I put the shampoo and everything, and while it was drying, I kept using my fingers to run through it just so that it's more like frizzy. I want it to be more frizzy. No, I don't want it to be too curly. Like, my hair is not like that. I don't have 3C hair, I have 4C hair, so this is closer to my hair texture than this. Okay, so definitely make sure that if you want it to be like this, you wash it before you put it on your hair. Not wash it, just put conditioner basically before you put it on your hair. One thing I'll let you guys know is that when I washed this hair, there was like this really bad smell. I don't know what it was, but it just smelled really weird, and there was like brown coloring coming out of it. So I don't know if it's the color of the hair or if the hair is dirty, but anyways, there was like something brown, and washed it. Now it smells really nice. It smells just like my conditioner. So basically you just want to go ahead and spritz some water on it. This is just water, not water and conditioner. And then you want to go ahead and comb it through just to make sure that it is completely detangled. And then you're going to go ahead and start clipping. And clippings are really easy to put on. They basically come with clips like this, and all you need to do is push the back with your thumb and it opens just like that. And then to close it, you just push that back and it closes. Okay, so that's what you want to do. You want to go ahead and open up all the clips and then insert it into your natural hair and then close the clip. So I'm going to turn back right now. Hopefully you guys can get a better view of what I'm talking about. Putting all the clip-ins in, and my hair is not completely dry, but it's good enough. This is basically what it looks like. So as you can see, the track right here is still showing, so I'm going to go ahead and use a hair tie just to make it look nice. And this is basically what I'm using today. It's just a regular headband. So yes guys, that's pretty much it. This is what the hair turned out to look like. I really like how it looks. I believe I used one pack of this hair, and it's really full because when you put the water and everything, and then after you're done, just take your comb and try to fluff it out so that the curls are not defined at all, and that's how you get it to be really big. But yes, I really like this look. It is such a look. Okay, anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment before you leave. Also check out my other videos because they're pretty nice. Okay. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.
Perfect.